Unlock the hidden potential of your photos right now, even without spending a dime on a Lightroom subscription. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful free features available in Lightroom, whether you're using the mobile app or the classic desktop trial mode. First up, let's master the light panel to perfect your photo's brightness and contrast. Adjust exposure to make your image brighter or darker, and highlights or shadows to recover detail in the brightest and darkest parts of your scene. Next, jump into the color panel to bring your images to life. Increase vibrance for a subtle pop of color without overdoing it, or use saturation for a more intense color boost. Want to add more punch and drama? Head over to the effects panel. The clarity slider will enhance mid-tone contrast, making details stand out, while the haze can miraculously remove atmospheric haze from landscapes. Don't forget the fundamental crop and rotate tools. These allow you to reframe your composition, straighten horizons, and get rid of distracting elements in your shot, drastically improving your photo's impact. Even without advanced features, these core adjustments empower you to take your photos from ordinary to extraordinary. Experiment with each slider to understand its impact and find your unique editing style. So, skip the subscriptions and start transforming your images today. With these accessible and powerful free tools, share your before and afters with us using #FreeLightron and #BudgetEditing.